I'm back. I got another video today. I can't lie, today I didn't have time to make a whole brand new video. So I just cut up some old stuff from the other day that I did with my boy Leo. Not my dog Leo, but my friend Leo, who has the same name as my dog. And yeah, the video's still fire though, so still fuck with it. And you feel me? If you get bored, skip to the end at least. Like that bitch. Say something. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I should drop next. I got ideas. I got mad ideas. I'm not gonna lie. But it's just gonna take some time. Everything comes with time. I'm not rushing anything. But yeah. Side note, at some point in this video, Leo shits on a dog's grave. And directly shits on top of his grave. Plus the other graves that he walked past and just pissed on because he's an asshole. So, yeah, man. If you find the part where he shits on the dog's grave, put the timestamp in the comments. Boomer Cloud.
Honorable Board.
Gang in this bitch.
Don't really care if you got 20/20 vision, little nigga, you still can't see us. Yeah, on the track, I give him laps, if that nigga go in a meters, pull her right there in two-seater. With so many girls, I treat it like four-seater. And I want her so bad, but I really don't need her. I want it so bad, fucked around, got my greener. I was on a whole nother level, I was focused on the Lambo, while you was focused on the Beamer. I was balling on the court, you was standing on the bleachers. That hating shit, it do not reach us. You old niggas acting like teachers, you say we won't make it, we made it. Listen, dominate water like water where the beach is. Me and her far apart, eyes on Moesha. Hands up for the real, thumbs down for the fake. I had to go get it, no I couldn't wait. Everybody a rapper nowadays. I'm a rock star cause they in the way. Hands up for the real, thumbs down for the fake. I had to go get it, no I couldn't wait. Everybody a rapper nowadays. I'm a rock star cause they in the way. Act like I never knew ya. I see you like who ya. Remember when I was booed up. Got new money, got new loves. It ain't nothing like true love, cause it always stay. Hey, I'm a rock star cause they in the way. In the cup and not hiding. Go to an island when I wanna check my climate. I am so fly like a pilot. Sitting first class so I'm close to the pilot. Look at my neck and it's shining. Don't gotta ask if it's diamond. Count up my dance to the bank like Tinashe. On FaceTime hung up just right with Kalani. Hands up for the real, thumbs down for the fake. I had to go get it, no I couldn't wait. Everybody a rapper nowadays. I'm a rock star cause they in the way. Hands up for the real, thumbs down for the fake. I had to go get it, no I couldn't wait. Everybody a rapper nowadays. I'm a rock star cause they in the way. Higher, I can't get no higher. 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 I am on fire. They wanna put out my flame. I made a meal off my name. Try to say I ain't the same. No, ain't shit changed. No, ain't shit changed. Hands up for the real, thumbs down for the fake. I had to go get it, no I couldn't wait. Everybody a rapper nowadays. I'm a rock star cause they in the way. Hands up for the real, thumbs down for the fake. I had to go get it, no I couldn't wait. Everybody a rapper nowadays. I'm a rock star cause they in the way.